Hey everyone, this is Professor SQ. I'm getting some questions about how to complete the assignment under Module 1. So I just wanted to quickly show you how to do that. So if you come into Modules, you'll see Module 1 and you'll see the assignment. You can click it. I know that if you go into the study plan, it might be in there as well. But you'll come to this page, and so the assignment, you'll click here to read the assignment. And then once you read the assignment, you'll click Start Assignment. And all of a sudden this appears. And so here is, if you're going to type it, if you're going to file upload, in other words, if you're going to save it in a Word document and upload it, you just click Upload File, and then you'll find your file and you'll upload it. If you're going to enter text in right into the assignment, then you just click the text entry and click all of type in all of your information. Once you're done, you click Submit Assignment, and that will complete your assignment. Down here again is the rubric I'm going to use to grade, but I hope that that answers your questions regarding this. So if not, let me know. You can let me know through inbox or pronto, and I will be happy to, and I'm happy to meet with you on Zoom as well, if that helps. Hope this helps. Take good care. See ya.